With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Question says a uniform rod of mass m1 is hinged at its upper end as shown in a figure. A particle of mass m2, which is moving horizontally, strikes the rod elastically at the midpoint. Means at this point, and this point is at midpoint, which means if the total length of the rod is L, then this length is L by 2, right? Now, if the particle comes to rest after collision, then the value of m1 by m2 is. So we know that angular momentum is equals to I into omega, right? Where I is the moment of inertia of this rod about this axis, right? About this axis, and omega is the angular frequency with which this rod is rotating, right? When this particle of mass m2 strike at this rod horizontally, right? Now, center of mass of this rod is, the moment of inertia at center of mass is given as m1 L square by 12, right? And about this axis we can find by let this axis be x dash, right? So moment of inertia at x dash is, from the parallel axis theorem, we can write m1 L square by 12 plus mass of the rod, which is m1, into this distance, right, square, so L by 2 square. So after solving this we get Ix dash about this axis, the moment of inertia is m1 L square by 3, right? Now, angular momentum, we know that angular momentum of this particle, which is moving with the velocity v, is m2 v L by 2, because it strikes at the point L by 2, is equals to, we can write moment of inertia about this axis is m1 L square by 3 into omega, right? Now, velocity v is equals to, we can write it's omega and the distance r, right? And this distance r is this much, L by 2, right? So from this we can write the velocity is omega into L by 2, and this rod rotate with omega, right? Now put the value of velocity in this equation. We can write m2 omega L by 2 into L by 2 is equals to m1 L square by 3 into omega, right? So from this omega and omega is cancelled out, L square is cancelled out, right? And the ratio we get is m1 by m2 is 3 by 4, right? So this is our required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.